Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create multiple YouTube channel with one Gmail account. So what you have to do, suppose that this is your channel interface. What you have to do, just go to YouTube Studio. So in the YouTube Studio, what you have to do, just go to the setting. Once you go to the setting and go to the channel tab. Once you go to the channel tab, what you have to do, go to the advanced setting. Once you are here, then scroll down all the way down and it will say manage YouTube account. So once you hit the manage YouTube account, there is saying the channel status, add or manage your channel. So what we are going to do, we are going to add the channel, right? So we'll click it here and you can see that I have this two channel in this, and the third one you can just hit the create channel and it will just ask you to verify. Once you verify everything, and literally you can create the channel. All right, so this is my new channel. It's not showing me anything, but this is how you can create. You can upload your 6 minutes 6 second yourself videos or photo IDs, whatever you want to put. You can do that, and then it will take you to the next level. And once your channel is verified, then you can create multiple channels. All right, in this video, I hope you get value. If you get the value, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos. All right, thank you. I'll see you next one.